welcome to a brand new video. It is your boy Bernard, and I'm back with a brand new video. And today you might be wondering, what am I doing here? Like, what is my problem for right now? Just kidding. No, there's no problems for me. But there's one thing that we're doing specifically in this channel. It's not always about gaming, okay? My other channel that I have, it's trash, basically. I may have one subscriber with epic fails on me, but from another YouTuber whose name is Xnomorph Games. He's pretty good. What I'm basically doing here, right behind, the other side. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Right there, right there, right there, right. Come on, get down. Right there. That thing right here. This is what we're gonna be doing in this amazing video. Well, let's go ahead and do this. My Bernard Gaming my Bernard But to Write channel, it's trash, and I'm not going to be YouTubing in that channel anymore. Ow! Ow! Holy moly. Jesus. Let's do my... Get out! Get over there. There we go. Hopefully my brother's not outside because he's gonna mess it up. Okay. Let's get this over here. Right here is what we're gonna be doing. Alright. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Christ. I don't know if I can put my camera down like that. So we can put it down like that. Then we can just put it like this. Alrighty, I'm doing this webcam in my camera. Okay, we can already see something behind it. I actually didn't put anything I didn't even look at it, so just let you know. We're gonna look here. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be going outside here like this, and then every one of you guys can see what's inside it. So it's a little quick review on what's and how it looks like in the outside. So now, in case, let's do this. Ooh, this is good. I think you saw it. Right, okay. Ooh, okay. This is from important for guardians, which is in parents as well. So let's just open this. And happy first day of school if I didn't say last videos. This is way behind. Okay, bubble bag. Well, this is from my school. Let's pick something out like this. You know what? I'm just gonna prove you guys. I might be outside of the camera. It might look like it's pretty weird that I'm looking on it. That I'm looking on it without you guys seeing me. So I just got this here. Ooh, Mortarine oranges. Almost look at it. Okay, let's pick this one. Beef ravioli. I don't eat any beef or pork. I only eat chicken. Like, subscribe. That's my only meat that I eat. Let's get another one. What's this? We gotta pick out a raisin and a chocolate pudding. This is gonna be good. I knew it. I basically knew it because I touched it in a circle. Orange. What is this? Ooh! I was wondering what I saw from outside. Ew, I'm not eating this. So stupid. Let me just put all these things over in this area that I'm not gonna eat, and the things I'm gonna eat in this area. No, I don't really like raisins at all. What this is. Ooh, top ramen. Chicken with other natural flavors. Right there, guys. Okay, what's this? Ooh, this is tell you what I'm getting right now. Since in a bit there's gonna be an ice cream social at my house, in my school, which I want to give a big shout out to. It's this place in our school that is around 6 to 7:30, around to 6 o'clock, starts at 6 o'clock to 7:30, where you get a free ice cream from donating from one of this girl in my school named Sophia Druhard, if any of you guys know that, or if you're watching this, her dad actually donated all that with his own money, bought it, and then from his company, because he works in a ice cream shop, that all that money and stuff, that ice cream that he makes, he donated it to our school, which is somewhere around there, but I'm not going to tell you because it's about to give out my privates. So, my private stuff, basically. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to be getting in ourselves ice. Oh, we're going to get ourselves ice cream for ourselves, of course. Get ourselves. You can pick whatever you want. I will tell you some of the choices. There's a bad breakup. It's called a bad breakup, and the good stuff. The good stuff is basically a vanilla ice cream with vanilla or chocolate syrup all around it. And then whirlwind, I guess I could say. Whirlwind, tornado, whatever you guys want to say. And then inside it has these little bears. These, I think, chocolate or vanilla or maybe cherry bears. Inside it, there's cherry. Man, that sounds really good, but I'm not going to taste that. But I want to get the bad breakup. That's basically a one that's that has vanilla or chocolate. I'm basically thinking it's one of that. You have chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup, I guess. You can Hershey syrup, I would say. You put it around the ice cream, and inside it there's this little tiny circle balls and stuff, or bears, whatever you want to say. Inside those little tiny holes, there's chocolate. Oh my god! I always want to see how I look like this, and I'm cool. Alrighty, let's take another look at it. Brown cinnamon, brown sugar. I love this. This is my favorite kind of Pop-Tarts. It is brown sugar cinnamon. I always love these ones. Applejack. I like these. Not love, but like these. Keep that there. I think how much are there left on here? There are totally, I think, one. I think I know what this is. Let's see here. I'm gonna guess it. It is I'm thinking it is juice. Something like juice. Come on, let's do it. I forget what they're called. Like these little juices with inside him, it's something like, you know what, I'm done with this guessing stuff. Let's just take it out and, I knew it! Capri Sun. Lemonade! Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. Guys, give us a big shout out. I want to give a big shout out to Screencast-O-Matic for sponsoring this video, and not sponsoring this video, for actually, it's only a shout out, not sponsors and stuff, but I want to give a huge shout out to Screencast-O-Matic. I think I've already done it way before. And basically, they are the company lets free recording. I think I'll put in the link in the description every time. I've done it every time for my screen recording app. It's pretty good and decent. So if you guys want to go ahead and want to try out screen recorders, if you are a YouTuber, or if you're gonna be a YouTuber for gaming, I recommend you can do that, because after you finish recording it, you just click done, And yeah, you're basically good. Actually, you're good. You just click, and then you're gonna go to Dawn, and then it shows you some sides and some things on the right side. It says save as file, save as something something, blah blah blah. I don't know what it is, and then upload to YouTube. I always click upload to YouTube since I'm uploading it. It takes like half an hour to upload the entire thing, so it's pretty long. But yeah, I want to give it and I just want you guys to see what you think is good from all of these decent things that I just got from this school, from my school. I swear to you, I promise to you that I didn't buy all these stuff. It's from my school and all that stuff. My school company. I just want to give you guys a huge shout out to them as well. And yo, I'll see you guys. Ow, ow! It hurts. Look at. Yesterday, I fell off my bike when I played soccer. I mean, not soccer. That does not make sense. Yesterday, does this make sense? Yesterday, I was on my bike and I fell when I played soccer. No. Blah, blah. Just take that out of your mind really quick. I was on my bike. We thought that there was going to be soccer practice yesterday, but there wasn't. And I had to basically pass all the time and just bike for a few times, and I fell down. I was trying to show off. I'm too stupid to show off, but see you guys all next time. Peace out and have a great day. You gotta look at the screen to then you can do whatever you want. But yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out and have a great day. Bye. Bye.